Hi guys, it's Jamie and I'm back again with another video. Right now we're going to be showing you the product of the week, which this week is Varilite. So what is Varilite? Varilite is an inflatable lumbar support that you can use for travel or at home. A lot of people really love this one for travel though because of the convenience that it jam packs into its little mightiness that it is. So Varilite itself is an inflatable and deflatable, easy to use transportation device to help fill in that small of your back when you need some extra lumbar support when you're traveling or sitting in any type of chair. So what's really cool about this is it is self-inflatable. So there is a little valve on it. When you open that, you can either decompress it, or if you let go of it, it will reinflate by itself. And when you're traveling, what I personally really love is you can actually roll this up and it will roll completely up to be able to easily fit in your storage or your bag, and you can just whip it out whenever you need it. One thing that a lot of people don't realize is like, why does my back hurt when I'm sitting? You probably don't have enough back support. So something like this that's adjustable, you can bring that up into the firmness you like, make it a little bit softer for your personalized comfort. When you put that into the small of your back when you're sitting, it offers you extra support where you might not have it, which helps relieve stress and fatigue in those back muscles from having no lumbar support, which in turn is gonna help promote a healthy posture. I don't know about you, but I personally struggle with keeping my posture a-okay, so I love having a lumbar support that worked well for me. And when you need to travel and you're just like, I don't want to carry something huge, this is an awesome option because it is so compact in the way that it works. So if you guys would like to get one, you can either go on our website at ultimateback.com and order one there, or you can give us a call at the store, or you can come on in. We do have two stores. We have one in Folsom at 2700 East Bidwell Street and one in Sacramento at 903 Howe Avenue. If you are excited about more videos to learn more about our back care options, you can give us a subscribe and make sure to press that notification bell so you know when our next video is uploaded. And then you can also follow us on our Instagram at The Ultimate Back Store. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. Hope you have a great day.